It's another beautiful day once again, and this is Ishmael right here. Today, I want to introduce you to another wonderful and beautiful property here in Dzorwulu. So we have a 3-bedroom unfurnished unit here with a boys' quarters for rent. Like you can see, this is the entrance, and this is the living space over here. Very big, very huge. Alright, so this unit features a very huge living area or living space that you can have both your furniture and in the dining space here. And then also over here we have our kitchen. Before the kitchen, there is a visitor's washroom, very well fitted with modern facilities. Now here is a kitchen, very spacious kitchen with a refrigerator, heat extractor, dishwashers, microwave, water heater. Come upstairs, let me introduce you to the bedrooms. So right at the top here, there is a family living area where the kids can play, and also just beside it is a washroom also over here. So this washroom or this bedroom, we'll be using this washroom. So all the rooms are ensuite with wardrobes and ACs are installed. That was the first bedroom. This is another bedroom here, also with an inbuilt wardrobe, and then also the washroom. Then finally, the grand room, the master bedroom. So this room is very spacious, also with an inbuilt wardrobe with a washroom also over here with a very top-notch finishing. The water heater right at the top there. So the master bedroom has this space as balcony that gives you that view, that ambience from here, and you could see what they used to do just to block the view from the outside, So that is the view, the serenity of the environment you could see here.